Welcome, dear student, in today's topic of how to calculate biological oxygen demand, that is BOD, of a water sample, because biological oxygen demand is a most important property of a water. Basically, biological oxygen demand is nothing but the amount of oxygen required for degradation or decomposition of organic matter present in a water sample under aerobic condition at 20 degrees Celsius. An incubation period is required, that is 5 days. So basically, this experiment or biological oxygen demand is measured by Winkler's method, in which two BOD bottles are used. Bottle number 1 and bottle number 2 are labeled on that bottles, and we take a known volume of a water sample in each bottle. After that, it gets diluted, and immediate or dissolved oxygen content from bottle number 1 is measured and noted as DO1. And after 5 days, that is the incubation period of biological oxygen demand, so incubator is required. So second bottle are kept in that incubator, and after 5 days that bottle is removed and their dissolved oxygen content is measured, that is DO2. It is noted as a DO2. And by taking the difference between DO1 and DO2 and by multiplying dilution factor, we can calculate the biological oxygen demand of any water sample by easiest way. Let us can solve the first numerical related to biological oxygen demand. This is first numerical related to calculation of biological oxygen demand. So in that numerical, 50 ml of water sample contains 840 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. After 5 days, the dissolved oxygen value becomes 230 parts per million. After the sample has been diluted to 80 ml, calculate the BOD of the sample. So this is our first numerical. So in that, before dilution, the volume of sample are given. It is volume of sample before dilution. It is 50 ml. And another volume of sample after dilution. Volume of sample after dilution is 80 ml. Similar way, the dissolved oxygen content of each sample is also given. Dissolved oxygen content in bottle number 1, it is 840 parts per million. And after dilution, the dissolved oxygen content also given, DO2, which is 230 parts per million. So these are the values are provided in a numerical. Then our formula for calculation of BOD. So BOD, biological oxygen demand, that is DO1 minus DO2 into dilution factor. Then put the value. DO1, it is 840 parts per million minus DO2 230 parts per million into volume of sample after dilution, it is 80 upon volume of sample before dilution, it is 50. So after calculation of that, our answer becomes 976 parts per million. So this is the biological oxygen demand of a water sample, 976 parts per million. So this is our first numerical. In that numerical, the data is given 50 ml of sample contains 840 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. After 5 days, that is the incubation period required, BOD incubator, that water sample are kept in a BOD incubator for 5 days, and after 5 days, that bottle removed, BOD bottle is removed from incubator, and if we measure the dissolved oxygen, it observes 230 parts per million. So volume of sample before dilution, it is 50 ml. Volume of sample after dilution, 80 ml. Volume of dissolved oxygen content, DO1, 840 parts per million, and dissolved oxygen content, DO2, it is 230 parts per million. Then our formula, DO1 minus DO2 into dilution factor. Dilution factor, it is nothing but the volume of sample after dilution upon volume of sample before dilution. So by using all that values, we can calculate the biological oxygen demand of a water sample. It becomes 976 parts per million, that is 976 parts per million. Then second numerical related to biological oxygen demand. In that numerical, 50 ml of sample contains 500 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. The water sample is diluted to 100 ml. After 5 days, the dissolved oxygen value of water sample reduces to 400 parts per million. Calculate the BOD of the sample. So again, in that numerical, whatever the data are given, by using that data, we calculate the biological oxygen demand. So that is, first is volume of sample before dilution, it is 50 ml. Then next, volume of sample after dilution, it is 100 ml. Dissolved oxygen content, DO1 value is given, it is 500 parts per million. And next, dissolved oxygen content, DO2, it becomes 400 parts per million. Then the formula for calculation of biological oxygen demand, it is BOD, DO1 minus DO2 into dilution factor. So dissolved oxygen content in bottle number 1, DO1 into DO2 into dilution factor, volume of sample after dilution upon volume of sample before dilution. So put the values of DO1, it is 500 minus DO2 400 into volume of sample after dilution, it is 100 upon volume of sample before dilution, it is 50. So 100 into 2, our answer is 200 parts per million. So in that way, we calculate the biological oxygen demand of a water sample by a very simple manner. I think by using that two numerical, that is how to calculate the biological oxygen demand of any water sample by easiest way. Thank you.